Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Hamid Hussain and today we will going to learn how to attempt quiz in Google Classroom. In my previous video, I have explained in detail how to join Google Classroom as a student. In this video, I will show you how to attempt quiz and how to submit quiz in Google Classroom. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and share. So let's start. First, you will have to log into your Google ID and then join Google Classroom. After that, click on your class, then go to classwork. In classwork, go to Desire Quiz, which will be mentioned in your classwork clearly. Click on the quiz and then click below the attachment file. When you click on the attachment file, few options will arise. Write your name, then write your GR number, which will be written on your ID card or your fee slip. Then write your section. After that, you can attempt the questions. Click on the right option, then press submit button, and that's it. Your quiz has been submitted. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.